Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your go-to destination for the most refreshing home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are diving into the ultimate coastal home decor palette to help you transform your living space for the sunny months ahead. We will explore 10 unique design concepts that capture the essence of the ocean and the warmth of the summer sun. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our latest design tips. Start your coastal transformation by using soft, sandy beiges as the foundational color for your large furniture and rugs. This neutral base mimics the warmth of the shoreline and provides a versatile canvas for brighter accents. Natural textures like jute or sisal further enhance this earthy feel while keeping the room light and airy. It creates a grounding atmosphere that immediately evokes a sense of relaxation and seaside serenity. Incorporate light, misty blue hues through decorative pillows, throw blankets, and delicate wall art to represent the sea spray. These cool tones work wonders in reducing the visual temperature of a room during the hottest summer days. By layering different shades of pale blue, you create a sense of depth that feels as vast and calming as the open ocean. It is the perfect way to bring a touch of the horizon directly into your living room or bedroom. Integrate weathered wood elements like reclaimed shelving or coffee tables to add a rustic, organic touch to your coastal palette. The gray and silver undertones of driftwood provide a sophisticated contrast to softer pastel colors. These wooden pieces act as natural sculptures that tell a story of the sea and the passage of time. Using these materials ensures your space feels authentic and grounded in the natural beauty of the coast. Introduce translucent sea glass greens through glassware, vases, and light fixtures to capture the light and mimic the ocean's clarity. This refreshing pop of color adds a vibrant energy that feels both sophisticated and playful. When the sunlight hits these glass surfaces, it creates beautiful reflections that dance across your walls like waves. This small detail can make a massive difference in how bright and energetic your summer space feels. Deep navy blue serves as the perfect anchor for a coastal room, providing a sense of timeless elegance and classic maritime style. Use this bold color for accent walls or statement furniture pieces to give the room a defined structure. It balances the lighter whites and pastels, preventing the space from feeling too washed out or monochromatic. This high contrast look is a staple of coastal design that never goes out of style. Bring the warmth of the reef indoors by adding vibrant coral accents to your decor through textiles or small art pieces. This energetic hue provides a stunning contrast to blues and whites, echoing the hidden beauty of underwater life. A few coral-colored items can instantly brighten a dark corner and infuse the room with a cheerful, summery glow. It is an excellent way to add a bit of tropical flair without overwhelming your sophisticated coastal theme. Swap out heavy curtains for light, breezy white linens that catch the summer wind and allow natural light to flood the room. The sheer quality of linen creates a soft, diffused glow that makes any space feel larger and more inviting. These fabrics represent the sails of a ship and the casual comfort of a seaside cottage. Keeping your window treatments light is essential for maintaining that effortless coastal breeze throughout your home. Incorporate subtle pearlescent finishes and shell-inspired textures into your hardware and decorative bowls. These delicate details offer a hint of shimmer that mimics the interior of a seashell found on the beach. This soft luster adds a touch of luxury to the space while maintaining a connection to the maritime environment. It is these small, thoughtful touches that elevate a simple room into a curated coastal sanctuary. Bring the outdoors in by adding potted palms or seagrasses to breathe life and oxygen into your summer decor. The vibrant green of live plants provides a lush contrast to the sandy neutrals and oceanic blues of your palette. Plants not only improve air quality, but also reinforce the connection between your home and the natural world. This organic layer ensures your space feels lived in, healthy, and perfectly prepared for the summer season. Maximize the feeling of space by utilizing bright white on walls and ceilings to reflect the maximum amount of natural sunlight. White acts as the ultimate refresher, making old spaces feel brand new and impeccably clean for the summer. This final layer of the palette ties all the other colors together into a cohesive and harmonious coastal vision. We hope you enjoyed these ideas, so please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiration.